I always tell people that New Year's Eve here in Salinas, and I've been to Times Square in New York for New Year's, this beats it hands down. Yeah, I'm telling you, I'm a New Yorker, and I'm telling you, come to Ecuador for Salinas for New Year's. It's definitely a great thing to see and experience. Our weather is great, so you've got that, and then the fireworks display here is bar none. You can't beat it because everybody's in competition. The Barcelona Hotel will have their display, the Yacht Club will have their display, and then everybody has effigies, which we call them manigotes, which is when you burn the old year, and you go to the beaches and you burn them in these huge bonfires. The whole beach will be lit up with bonfires. They cut off the malecon, so it's pedestrian only. Typically, pre-pandemic, we would get an additional 100,000 people in just for that holiday. So you get a lot of people here. So it's crazy, but it's fun. It's a lot of fun.
This beautiful condominium is located in one of the most prestigious buildings right off the Malecon in
Salinas. This 1,600 square foot condominium goes for $1,200 during the low season, $1,800 during the high season, and $2,400 for the oh so special
New Year's celebration.
This place is beautiful, and it's in an ideal location for those who want to be in the thick of things on the Malecon.
Definitely. You have beautiful views right off of the balcony where you can see to the left Chepipe and the rest of Salinas, a beautiful view of the pier. Being on the 17th floor definitely has its perks here.
Yeah, you got a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful view of the Pacific Ocean, and it comfortably fits about 10 people.
Yes.
Honestly. Beautiful condo, beautifully situated condo, in a wonderful building with tons of different amenities, a sauna, a pool, a jacuzzi.
This space has 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a maid's quarters.
What I really liked about this space was getting a deeper understanding of real estate in this area. Recognizing that there's a high season, a low season, and the oh so special weekend that everybody comes down here for.
Like we told you guys before, Salinas is the place where things are popping off for particular holidays and for weekends. This city swells up.
More than double its size. It goes to about 100,000 people on that weekend. It houses about 40,000 people on a regular basis. So it's a huge place for people from all over the country to really come together and celebrate New Year's Eve. People come here to party hardy on the weekends.
And this is definitely one thing that I truly, truly appreciate about travel. Being able to afford different accommodations, being able to stretch your dollars, where otherwise in our home country, we wouldn't get a comparable space for that price.
Not for $1,200. But let me tell you about what you're getting in the area of Salinas. You're getting miles of beautiful coastline, nice, beautiful beach. You're getting a thriving Malecon with lots going on, but also
Salinas is a small town, okay? So you're never that far away from the beach. You're not far away from the Malecon. So just taking 2 or 3 blocks back from the Malecon, you can get a single family home that might be more suitable for your budget if you're looking for something a bit cheaper.
Now what got us is it's actually a sleepy town, like Monday through Thursday. It's a sleepy little, you know, flip-flop, kicking around little town. And then come Thursday, the party starts thumping. Don't sell yourself to fall in love.
So if you don't mind the noise,
boom, boom, the
Selena might be a
things
good
you
fit for
do. I'm calling.
maybe we're selfish. We want you to ourselves, we can't help it.
All our subscribers, we need you. Hit the subscribe button if you guys have not subbed already. Hit that like button. Share this with your circle, y'all. We are growing here on this channel, and we're thanking you guys for hanging with us. Back to the show.
All right, Rondell. So if it were you, would you prefer to rent a space right off the Malecon or a few streets back?
Now, for me and mine, without a doubt, I'm hitting that Malecon. There have been some security concerns, security issues going on in and around Salinas right now. Now, do we think they'll subside? Maybe, but as of this day and time, I'm on the Malecon, I'm in a condo, and I'm someplace with a beautiful view of the Pacific Coast.
But you know, even if we might not rent a few streets back, what you will find a few streets back are some pretty good restaurants. Y'all, we found the spot here in Salinas. We are at Antigua Damasco, which is a Lebanese restaurant here in Salinas. We've seen a huge kind of Lebanese presence once we hit Guayaquil, and we were happy to see this one here, but the food here, super authentic, super delicious, and it's something that Rondell wants to eat every single night. This is already the second night in a row that we've been here. It's just that good, and one of the places that we would definitely recommend if you're into Lebanese food and you're headed to Salinas.
We've been to a lot of different Lebanese restaurantes here in Ecuador, especially once we got to Guayaquil, but this one, oh, it is the best. And we're getting the opportunity to talk to the chef and find out why is this food so doggone good, because it is really good. I found a Lebanese restaurant with the best food here, period. And this is the owner.
Hi guys,
There
how are
it is.
you?
Perfect, perfect. Esta nombre, what's your name?
Yeah, my name is Bilal. I'm from Damascus, from Syria. We can call it Lebanese food or Arabic food or Middle Eastern food, but I'm here making my food like function food. So I work in Europe, I work in South America, I work in Arabic countries, so I am making kind of mix of food.
I love it, so delicious. So these recipes, are they your family recipes? Did you come up with them?
Everything is fresh.
Okay.
That is the touch of the kitchen.
Sí.
Second one, here in Salinas, I have here like 12 years. It's a long time. I speak very well Spanish too. So you are new here, right?
Yes, yeah, we just got here a couple of days ago.
Yeah, vacation, huh? Vacation? Yeah.
Just passing through, man, but so glad we found the place.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I appreciate it, huh?
All right, hasta luego, bro.
You're welcome.
Look, Bilal's spot was my favorite spot for shawarma in all of Ecuador, and that's a big statement. We had a lot of shawarma, especially in Guayaquil. But I gotta tell you guys, if you're looking for a local bite and you want to support another local business, got to recommend Jimmy's.
Jimmy's spot was really great. It was 2 or 3 blocks off of the Malecon, and it had a large and varied menu. There were local Ecuadorian dishes, there were Peruvian dishes, and there were also dishes that had an American influence as well, which was really cool because there were just lots of options.
Now, I gotta say, I believe he caters to the North American crowd. What I'm trying to say is he makes plates for gringos, y'all, minus the heavy ingredient of gringo gouging. The plates are appropriately priced. You will enjoy your meal, your wallet will enjoy your meal, and you'll enjoy sitting in local surroundings. You feel like you're definitely not in a chain restaurant.
We went there a few times, okay? Let's say 2 or 3 times, and each time we did not leave paying over $10 total.
Man, for real, y'all. I was happy every time I walked out of there. My stomach was full, my wallet was happy, and it was just a good vibe.
We're talking having like shrimp burgers and shrimp platters, a nice big breakfast and almuerzos.
Now, if we're talking about restaurants to, serve up you some good food, some good service, and good vibes in this city, we got to give an honorable mention for the restaurant since 2022.
Cinnamon.
Love Cinnamon, guys. This woman has an excellent cafe, good service, and will take care of you. So if you're in the area, drop by and give her a couple of quarters, y'all. Get some ice cream, get some coffee, and enjoy the vibe. You guys, I got a question, as serious as cancer. Is it okay if you eat at someone's house to refuse something that you don't want to eat? I had a hypothetical situation that a friend told me about, and I just want to bring it to you. I feel like it's okay. If you like everything that's on the plate and they're going to serve something to you and you don't want it, like maybe let's say it's bananas and you don't like bananas, you can say, no, I don't want those bananas. But another friend of mine, somebody like my wife, was like, nah, you have to go ahead and take that bullet and eat that. What do you think? Y'all, as we travel all over this world, country to country, city to city, hemisphere to hemisphere, we are trying to locate something.
We are locating our tribe, just the people that, feel like family, the people that you break bread with and make connections with.
Look, your family ain't only your blood, man. So look, to all of our subscribers out there, you guys come to our area, connect with us. Let us know you're in the area. Let's connect, let's break bread. As such, there are a bunch of people that we broke bread with all over this planet that we really, really sincerely miss, consider family, and looking forward to reconnecting with. So we just want to give a shout out to these guys.
Shout out to Jimmy and Maria, making my birthday special. We got drinks and dessert and it actually wasn't my birthday.
Hey, shout out to Brian and May. Too many nights, too many evenings to even remember all of them. You guys made all of Thailand special, and I hope you're having a wonderful time wherever you are on this globe.
Shout out to Michelle and Daryl, who really are the reason why San Miguel de Allende is one of my favorite cities.
Shout out to Ken and Lorenza over in Cuenca. Mad love for you guys. Thank you again. And yo, I'm coming back for that cigar and that bourbon. Peace and love. Shout out to my big dog, Sate, holding it down in Guadalajara. A single father making all of us proud, doing the dang on thing. Brother, we got you for Thanksgiving dinner, eventually, somewhere.
And we found a couple that feels like family right here in Salinas.
We found some more friends.
Hey Tribe, introducing new friends turned fam, Steven and Lashon of Living Loving Abroad. Join us for some friendly conversation.
What was your first step? I want to normalize this for people, especially our people. What made you think to even live abroad?
First of all, I wanted to give her something I promised her for years, and that's to be able to not have to go to work.
And he had to hold that.
And you know, me, I wanted to do more in life. I didn't want to work until I was in my late 60s and have, you know, body issues and not be able to actually enjoy retirement. So I said, well, let's come up with a plan to make this happen early and see how it works. Let's just go for it.
You know, what's funny, a lot of the people that we speak with, especially here, a lot of people came into Ecuador by way of research. And it has a whole lot of deduction. Well, no, not this place, not this place, not this place. Oh, the political situation, the dollar, USD, XYZ. So, yo, if you guys are looking for some real people to follow, if you are looking for the real expat experience, we really, really strongly recommend their channel. And of course, if you ain't subscribed to ours yet, hit that subscribe button. Make it happen. How long have you guys been in this area?
Ooh.
Almost a little over 5 months.
Yeah. So yeah, for me, one of the ups is just being, even though I'm not a, you know, get in the ocean type of person every day or anything, I kind of like being right here on the water, on the boardwalk. Being able to, if we want to take a walk, we just take a walk on the beach. She can pick up her seashells. We can enjoy the weather. It's in the 70s every day here. You know, it's not always sunny, but it's always mild. So it's one of those just big bonuses about living around here.
The bonus for me is I'm near a lot of restaurants. And so I can get my coffee and everyone knows I love Sweetened coffee. I'm not sponsored by them, but I love that the restaurants are close by. I love the fact that my friend is nearby. So if we need anything, she's close by. And of course, who doesn't love living near the beach?
The only thing, it's not even something that I don't like. It's noisy. It's noisy. Like a Thursday night, there was a party going on that was rocking. We have an Airbnb on the Malecon, and I swear, like our whole half of the Malecon was rocking till about 2 a.m. I mean, you would sleep like you was out. You were out. You know what I'm saying? But I was like, dang, they going. And then after the party, of course, there's a bunch of people outside talking loud.
It's not an issue for me at all. I'm used to this noise. I like background noise, and I like multitask and all that. So, you know, the sound of like vehicles going by and buses or music sometimes, it really doesn't bother me. So
You just kind of close the slide.
Tune it out.
Yep.
And if we're watching a movie or something in the living room,
Yep.
we just close the sliding glass door.
Boom.
That's it.
You guys, how you feel about Ecuador, man? How did you gravitate to Ecuador? And next, like, what do you see yourself?
So for us, gravitating to Ecuador, you know, we started looking at different countries. You know, Panama was first. Ecuador came up because we had a friend that was from Ecuador, and we ended up visiting. Loved the country. The visa process is really easy.
Smooth, right?
Yeah.
And the They use the U.S. dollar. Never complain about that. There's no exchange rate. And it was just one of those situations, like a perfect storm. It kind of checked all our boxes. And, you know, hopefully it's a place that we can end up staying. You know, we're going to give other places a shot, obviously. But so far, you know, we love it.
Everything in Ecuador I love. Like, you go from the mountains to the coast to the valleys. It's just beautiful.
Yeah.
Have you been to other places here in Ecuador?
Yes.
Yeah, we've been to Cuenca, we've been to Quito, Cotacachi, Otavalo, Mindo, Manta,
Guayaquil.
San Pablo, and Guayaquil, Olón, Montanita.
So out of the places you visited, which ones would you recommend people go to check out some other places in the country?
I would definitely suggest Mindo because of the rainforest.
Yeah, Mindo's awesome.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Just a trip there. Going to see Otavalo, Mindo, Cotacachi because of the leather. You smell leather.
I heard as soon as you hit the city limits, you
Yes.
smell it. And I got a problem with leather, boy. I got a problem.
I have a problem with shoes, but I didn't buy any. But it,
Big ups. Big up on you.
and
I mean, I would suggest Quito and Cuenca. Quito itself is just a beautiful city to me.
it is.
I loved it. It's a big city, clean, lots to do, lots to see, lots to experience. Yeah, I agree completely. Did you guys hit the botanical gardens?
Oh
we
yes.
did. Yes, we
Thoughts,
did.
concerns,
Absolutely wonderful.
All that.
Absolutely wonderful.
Go ahead. I know you want to say it.
She was in heaven. She's a plant person. She's a plant person, and she was in absolute heaven.
Yes. I could have just laid down and just like, don't take me back. I'm good.
What's your expat flow? You know what I mean? Like, what do you like to do on a regular basis, on a daily basis?
Nothing. I don't want to do anything. That's the whole reason why I came here, to relax, enjoy the weather, the food. Nothing.
For me, it's pretty much the same thing. Just all we do is kind of just sit around and watch movies, TV, go to the gym, work out. We make some videos, and that's pretty much it.
I think that's interesting because I think a lot of our people think that the expat lifestyle is super exciting.
Expectations versus reality, right?
Right. But like we strive to be peaceful, right? We seeking the peace, trying to enjoy life, right?
Yeah.
You said you watch movies. Let me tell you, put y'all up on something. Right? It's my guy Steven, man. It's the first person I ever ran into that has similar movie taste to me because I'm a weirdo.
Me too.
We brought up a movie yesterday called The Stuff. Man, I've asked everybody if they've seen this movie. You're the first person I met that actually seen the movie.
And only the second person I've ever met that actually brought this movie up. So yeah, man, I love it. I love movies. Just the nostalgia of it, especially those old 80s movies, 70s, 80s, 90s.
Right.
And I just love talking about them and watching.
Now, do you get a chance to watch them down here? Like, do you have a subscription or something? Like, what would you recommend if people get their movie fix on abroad?
For me, if I can't find it on YouTube or just somewhere online, I'll just load it up on the Fire Stick or whatever and find whatever movies I can, like Tubi and Pluto. They have a lot of those old movies on there for free if you don't have subscriptions to other services. So yeah, they're around.
All right, man. So, like, if y'all don't know, living, loving abroad right here, you know what I'm saying? Like, I understand you guys got your YouTube is growing. What can people expect from your channel?
Well, more travel. More travel. We got another video coming soon from the Quito area, Botanical Gardens. Okay. And we're gonna be taking some more trips, some surprise trips here.
Okay, no curveballs. Okay, all right.
And just more of our life here, and more of the just experience of living in Ecuador, and tips, tricks,
And living abroad.
Just living abroad, and encouraging people to not be afraid to. Make a choice, and make a decision, and try to work towards it.
I think that's all we got.
Yeah.
So we are the Yarbros.
We live and love abroad.
And we'll check y'all out next time. Peace and love, y'all. Don't sell yourself to fall in love. No bugs, baby. Good.